Welcome. This is a chance to pause and step out of the rush and in to a calmer rhythm. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and exhale slowly out your mouth. Again, in, hold, and out. Feel your body begin to settle. Now, imagine the sound of a clock. Soft, steady, reliable. Tick, tock, tick, tock. With each tick, your body relaxes further and further. With each tock, you let go of any stress holding you back. Tick, tock, tick. Breathe in the ease. Tock. Let go of stress. Allow the rhythm to guide you, like a heartbeat outside of time. It keeps you anchored. Notice how your shoulders feel lighter. Your jaw softens. Your thoughts move more slowly as they are matching the pace of the clock. There's no need to rush. Time moves steadily, and within this steady rhythm, you can rest. Relax. Focus on the sound of the ticking clock. Take one more deep breath in. Hold it for a moment. And a long breath out. Carry this calm with you into the rest of your day, knowing that the steady tick-tock is always there for you whenever you need to return to peace.